Hey there! In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to run your Thunder client collection directly from the extension. Let's dive in. I've got my e-commerce collection ready. Just right-click on it and choose the Run All option. This will take you to the Run Collection view, where you can manage how it runs. You have two types of runs. Sequential send requests one after another. It's great when requests rely on each other, like logging in before creating a product or placing an order. Parallel, on the other hand, execute them all at once. Perfect for independent requests when speed is essential. In sequential mode, the order follows the arrangement in the collection. Want to change the order? Simply drag and drop. No extra setup needed. There's a skip option too, allowing you to bypass a specific request or folder without removing it from the collection. This is useful for temporarily excluding items from a run. If you want to test the same request with multiple sets of data, attach a data file in the Run Collection view. Supports CSV or JSON format. Just attach it here. Let's open a request. Here's the Create Product request. Notice the variables in the request body: product name, price, stock, and category. These will be replaced with actual values from the data file. Here's the CSV. Column headers map directly to those variables. Each row corresponds to one iteration. In the Run collection, we've already attached this file. Set the iterations to match the number of rows. Thunder Client will loop through each row, creating different products in a single run. Let's run the full collection sequentially now and click Run. You can watch each request being processed in real time. You'll see pass or fail status, response times, and test results for each. Click any request to view full details, such as the response and response headers, and see which assertions passed or failed. Once done, you can export results using the Export option here. With multiple formats, you can share and store them as needed. That's it for running collections from the extension. Thanks for watching.